Today we're going to demonstrate DeltaV to Maximo integration for work order requests. So I'm going to switch over to my DeltaV operate screen in my boiler house, which is located in Charlotte, North Carolina. And what we're going to do is cause a failure of a Rosemont 3144 Hart temperature transmitter. That failure is going to generate a device alert. That device alert will show up in DeltaV, but will also be picked up by the AMS package and Asset Portal. Asset Portal will then use that device alert to do a work order request into a remote Maximo system located in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. So the first thing that we're going to do is cause a RTD failure on our Rosemont 3144. That comes in and shows up in the alarm banner of DeltaV Operate. The operator then can click on that. He can acknowledge the alarm, and he can even then navigate to the details screen where we can get more information about what's happened to that transmitter. In this case, you'll notice that we have a field device malfunction. And at this point, that's all the operator has to do, because automatically that device alert is going to generate the work order for a technician within Maximo. Now, the operator can monitor that right from DeltaV. He has a button on his toolbar that will launch a window web-based interface into the Maximo system. So we'll log into Maximo. Once we log into Maximo at the welcome screen, we can navigate over to the Go To, and scroll down to the work orders and work order tracking. When the work order tracking screen comes up, we have a variety of fields that we can put a value in to search for particular work orders. In this case, we don't know what the work order is yet, but we do know our asset tag. For this particular transmitter, its asset tag within Maximo is 1004. So we'll enter that value. And we're presented with work order 1369, which tells me that sensor 1 has shorted. We see the location of that work order, of that asset, and the status of the work order waiting approval. If I click on that work order number, I'll get a screen with detailed information about that work order, including the location of the transmitter, its use, and a date timestamp when the work order was received. And you'll notice that that's 1 hour behind the date timestamp that's in DeltaV. So the operator in DeltaV at any time can call up and check the status of the work order. This work order now has been sent out to the technician to go out and repair that transmitter.